Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can easily edit photo from Instagram. Or photo you want to add to Instagram. So just open App Store, just go to search tab. In the search, just write here Instagram. Edit photo. And just tap on search. So here you can see different apps. So just we can find here some apps. Here you can see stories editor. So just choose app if for you. And just install it on your phone, add photo, and just try to edit it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.